Welcome, tech enthusiasts. I'm Kris Schulze, Director of Product Marketing at Scale Computing. And today we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology that's revolutionizing the way businesses handle their IT infrastructure. We're talking about HCI. In this video, I'll explore what it is, how it works, and the incredible benefits it offers. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is hyperconverged infrastructure, or HCI? It's a software-defined solution that combines compute, storage, and networking resources into a single integrated system. In simple terms, HCI brings together all the components required to run your applications and store your data to one compact, efficient package. Let's dig deeper into how HCI works. Traditional IT infrastructure involves separate silos for storage, compute, and networking, resulting in complexity and inefficiency. At its core, HCI leverages virtualization technology to abstract the underlying hardware and create virtual machines that run applications. These VMs are managed by a hypervisor, which acts as a software layer, enabling the consolidation of resources. HCI utilizes a distributed storage architecture, where each node in the infrastructure contributes storage capacity. The storage resources are pooled together, and data is distributed across multiple nodes for redundancy and performance optimization. This distributed storage enables seamless scalability, as additional nodes can be added to increase capacity. The networking aspect of HCI is also virtualized, allowing for creation of virtual networks that connect the VMs and enable communication between them. By virtualizing these resources, HCI enables you to manage and scale your infrastructure more easily. It simplifies the management and provisioning processes, allowing IT teams to be more agile and responsive to business needs. The virtualization layer also provides flexibility, as it allows you to allocate resources dynamically and efficiently. When it comes to virtualization platforms, you have more options than you probably realize. And with the number of options available, you can choose an IT infrastructure platform that offers a simplified, highly automated infrastructure that keeps your applications and organization running efficiently. Many of today's virtualization solutions are comprised of multiple vendor products, one for the hypervisor, servers, and storage hardware, making it more complicated and expensive than it needs to be. Configuring those disparate server and storage components just the right way wastes valuable time. Scale Computing's virtualization software and appliances, on the other hand, are based on patented technologies designed from the ground up to minimize infrastructure complexity and cost. The Scale Computing Reliable Independent Block Engine, or SCRIBE, is the storage management layer conceptualized, designed, and embedded in Scale Computing Hypercore. SCRIBE treats all storage in the cluster as a single logical pool for management and scalability purposes. This means that virtual machines running on Scale Computing Hypercore have direct block-level access to the SCRIBE virtual storage device, virtual disks, in the clustered storage pool without the complexity or performance overhead introduced by using remote storage protocols and accessing remote storage over network, while the backplane network is used to communicate data locally between the cluster nodes. Unlike other HCI architectures in the market, the SCRIBE storage layer does not run inside a virtual machine as a virtual storage appliance or controller VM, but instead runs parallel to the hypervisor, allowing direct data flows to benefit from zero-copy shared memory performance. State machines and SCRIBE work together to eliminate a lot of the management intervention that our customers have seen with alternatives. Our unique technology and the way we use it to provide benefits is unique. So why HCI and why now? There are conditions driving demand. With the proliferation of digital content, the Internet of Things, and the increasing adoption of data-intensive applications, organizations are grappling with massive amounts of data. Traditional infrastructure struggles to handle this deluge efficiently, resulting in storage silos and complex data management. Digital transformation initiatives also drive the adoption of HCI. As businesses embrace cloud computing, mobility, and data-driven decision-making, they require agile and scalable infrastructure. A traditional infrastructure typically comprises multiple disparate components, leading to complexity in management, provisioning, and troubleshooting. And higher operational costs associated with traditional infrastructure are also a driving factor. Separate storage, compute, and networking components require additional physical space, power, cooling, and maintenance. And with all of these, organizations face additional increased risks related to data loss, downtime, and disaster recovery. HCI provides a scalable, simplified, cost-effective, and resilient infrastructure that empowers organizations to meet their evolving IT needs while maximizing efficiency and minimizing risks. It eliminates the need for managing separate components, simplifying your IT operations. With a single interface, you can manage and monitor the entire infrastructure, reducing complexity and streamlining workflows. This simplicity allows your IT staff to focus on strategic initiatives rather than spending valuable time on routine tasks. Traditional infrastructure often requires complex planning and significant downtime to scale up or down. HCI, however, provides a scalable solution that allows you to add more or remove resources on demand. This scalability ensures that your infrastructure grows alongside your business needs without disruption. HCI leverages advanced technologies like data replication and load balancing to enhance performance and provide high availability. With redundant components and intelligent data placement, your applications and data remain accessible even in the event of hardware failures, ensuring business continuity. It optimizes resource utilization, reducing the number of physical servers required and consolidating your infrastructure. By eliminating separate storage and networking equipment, you save on hardware costs, power consumption, and data center space. Additionally, HCI's simplified management reduces operational overhead, further lowering your expenses. With built-in data replication and backup capabilities, HCI provides a robust data protection solution. In case of data loss or disaster, you can quickly recover your systems and data, minimizing downtime and potential losses. This level of resilience ensures the safety and continuity of your business operations. And there you have it. HCI is transforming the way businesses manage their IT infrastructure, offering simplified management, scalability, improved performance, cost efficiency, and enhanced data protection. Thanks for watching.